Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today's topic is about action word. What is action word? Action word, as the name specifies, word that says about the action or any work performed. Action performed by whom? Action performed by persons, animals or birds and things are called action word or verb. Action word is also called as verb or doing word. Living things can perform action by body parts. If the action is performed by body parts, then it is called physical action verb. And the action can also be performed by mind or brain, then it is called mental action verb. Now children, let's see some physical action verb. Fish. Fish swims. Here swims is the action verb because fish is swimming. What the fish is doing? It is swimming. I have made all the actions verb in red color so that children you can easily identify. Bird flies. Here flies is the action word as this is the work done by bird. Dog barks. Barks is the action verb. Tiger roars. Roar is the action verb. Now children. Children play. What the children are doing? Children are playing. Play is the action word. My father is watching TV. Watching is the action word. Whenever children you see one picture or you see something, then just put a question in your mind. What the person or animal or birds or the thing, what they are doing. Whatever answer we will get in your mind, that word is the action verb. So here in this picture, a snail is there. Put a question in your mind, kids, that what the snail is doing. Snail is crawling. So that word crawl is the action word. Here the man is cleaning. So clean is the action word. He is pushing a cart. Push is the action word. Laugh. The boy is laughing. Laugh is the action word. Deer. A deer is grazing grass. So graze is the action word. Walk. The boy is walking. Walk is the action word. Throw. The man is throwing the garbage in the dustbin. So throw is the action word here. A girl is reading the book. Read. Read is the action word. Blow. Blowing bubbles. Blow is the action word. The boy is writing. So write is the action verb. Here, what's the action word? What the man is doing? Pulling. Here, jump. Jump is the action word. Here kids, tell me what is the action verb here? Kick. As the boy is kicking the ball, kick is the action word. Run. Here run is the action word. Climb. Sleep. Sing. Eat. Children are eating. So eat is the action word here. Dance. Yearning. Run is the action word. Drink. Riddhi likes to play football. Here we have two action words. Likes and play. Both are action word. I love skipping. Here also two action words are there. One is love and the other one is skipping. Let's do one exercise, children. I dash to school by a bus. Let's put a correct action word here. I go to school by a bus. We should dash our teeth every day. We should brush our teeth every day. Dog dash in kennel. Tell me, children, what will be the action word here? Yes, correct. Dog lives in kennel. Ducks are dash in the water. What they are doing? Which word is coming to your mind, kids? Yes, you are correct. It is swimming. Ducks are swimming in the water. Next question is, a baker dash bread. What the baker does? A baker bakes bread. Then let's see about mental action word. The action performed by living things by their mind or brain is called mental action verb. Let's see some examples. Dreaming. Dreaming is a mental action verb. Why, kids? Because here the body parts are not doing any work. The boy is worried. Worry. Worry is the mental action verb. Think. Scare. These are the few examples of mental action verb. Many more are there, kids. Till now we have learned about action performed by living things. But action can also be performed by non-living things. Can the non-living things perform action by themselves? No, they can't do. The action can be performed by non-living things by either living things or by some natural phenomenon, or it can be by some external forces. Let's see some examples. The car is moving. the car can move by its own? No, a man can drive a car. That's why the car is moving. So here the car is non-living thing. It is a noun and moving is the action word here. Kite flies in the sky. Kite cannot fly on its own. A boy is holding the rope and the boy is making the kite fly. So here fly is the action word. Phone is ringing. Here phone is the non-living thing. Phone cannot ring by its own. Someone has to call. So here ringing is the action word. AC is blowing. Blow is the action word. Fan rotates. Let's do one more exercise, children. Rocks are dashed from the mountain. Rocks are falling from the mountain. So here falling is the action word. The moon dashed at 9. Tell me kids, what will be the action word here? Yes, correct. The moon shines at night. Stars dash. Stars twinkle. Very good kids. The sun dash us light. The sun gives us light. Ships dash on water. Tell me kids, what will be the action word here? Ships sail on water. Very good. Here kids, one sentence is given. We have to underline the action verb. Are you ready kids? Baby is crying. Underline the correct action word. Yes, crying. Crying is the action word here. My father goes to office. Here underline goes. Goes is the action word. Tiger roars and dog barks. Here two action words are there. Tell me kids, where we have to underline? Yes, it's roars and barks. Ravi wants to buy toys from the shop. Where do we have to underline, children? Tell me. Yes, you are correct. It's wants and buy. Two action words are there. So underline wants and buy. Thank you so much kids for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye bye kids.